there is there's a woman.
Yeah.
For me, after my success,
behind every woman's success, there is also a man. Right.
He is my husband.
Behind your success,
yeah, my husband is there. So I'm very thankful to him. He's always very positive. If I feel sometimes sad, he used to give me strength. Yeah, you have opened it. Don't think of this thing. Yes, this year students are less. The next year it will be more. So it should go like that.
Yeah. So one of the great source of your motivation is your mother, and secondly your husband.
My husband.
So we would like to talk a few words. We would like to share some memories or share something from your husband also,
okay.
Dr. Monindra Kumar Bhuiya.
Yeah.
So if we can have him also here.
Okay.
Viewers, now I would like to introduce before you all Dr. Monindra Kumar Bhuiya, who is the sole person, who is the driving force, who is the source of energy behind Dr. Bonti Borgohain Bhuiya and her success journey. And so now I would like to welcome Dr. Monindra Kumar Bhuiya. So Bhuiya sir, আমি আপোনাৰ পৰা দুই এটা কথা আমি জানিব বিচাৰিছো যেহেতু বন্তি বাইদেউ সুন্দৰকৈ কেপি মেমৰিয়েল স্কুলখন পৰিচালনা কৰি আছে আৰু আমি গম পাইছো তেখেতৰ আনৰ ব্যক্তিজন তেখেতৰ সফলতাৰ আনৰ ব্যক্তিজন আপুনি গতিকে আপুনি কেনে ধৰণে এই গোটেই অনুভৱখিনি অকমান ক'ব নেকি এনেকৈ সহায় আপুনি কৰিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰে বা আপুনি অনুভৱখিনি আপুনি ক'ব
মই সকলোকে মই স্বাগতম জনাইছো আসলতে মই তেওঁৰ পিছে তেওঁৰ আগে কিন্তু যিখিনি অনুপ্ৰেৰণা পালো বা তেওঁৰ মাকৰ পৰা মোৰ শাহুৱাই সেই অনুপ্ৰেৰণা আৰু মূলতে আজি সৰু অনুষ্ঠানটি আজি এইটো পৰ্যায় পাইছে গতিকে আৰু তাৰ লগে লগে মই ধৰক টেকনিকেলি বা মই ইয়াৰ লগত বেছি সহায় কৰিব পাৰিছোঁ এডুকেশ্যনেলি বা অন্য শিক্ষা বিভাগত এই বিষয়ত মই বৰ জড়িত নহয় যদিও যিখিনি টিচিং ষ্টাফ আমাৰ শিক্ষক শিক্ষয়িত্ৰী তেওঁলোকেও যথেষ্ট সহায় কৰিছে আমি ফিজিকেলি বিশেষকৈ আমি ধৰক বৰ মানিকেলি আমি বৰ চাউণ্ড নহয় গতিকে খুব কম হেৰিয়াত আমি আজি এইটো পৰ্যায় পাইছোঁহি তাৰোপৰি দুজনী ছোৱালী সেয়া যথেষ্ট ধুনীয়াকৈ মই তেওঁলোকক পঢ়াই শুনাই ডাঙৰ দীঘল কৰিলোঁ তাৰ বাবে সকলো ৰাইজৰ আশীষ আৰু আশীৰ্বাদৰহে আমাৰ মূল মন্ত্ৰ হৈছিলে বিশেষকৈ এওঁৱেই মূল এই অনুষ্ঠানটিৰ মূল ব্যক্তি যি 24 ঘণ্টাৰ প্ৰায় ক'বলৈ গ'লে 16 ঘণ্টামান এই অনুষ্ঠানটিৰ লগত জড়িত লিখা পঢ়া তাৰোপৰি তেওঁ শিক্ষাও লগে লগে কৰি গ'ল সেইখিনিৰ কাৰণে তেওঁৰ সেইটোক আমি সঁচাই মানিব লাগিব মই বিশেষকৈ সাহস দিছোঁ প্ৰেৰণা দিছোঁ তাৰ বাহিৰে অন্য বিশেষ একো দিব লগা হোৱা নাই গুৰুত্বপূৰ্ণ নাটকখন মঞ্চস্থ কৰাৰ সময়ত গ্ৰীণ ৰুমৰ মানুহকেইজনৰ গুৰুত্বটো বহুত বেছি সাধাৰণতে সেই গ্ৰীণ ৰুমৰ মানুহকেইজনৰ মানুহে দেখা নাপায় আৰু আপুনি গ্ৰীণ ৰুমৰ মানুহ গতিকেলৈ আপুনি বহুত বেছি কথাও পাতি থাকি ভাল নাপায় বা আপুনি কামৰ মানুহ আপুনি যিখিনি পাৰে যেনেকৈ পাৰে আপোনাৰ জোখাৰে আপুনি দি আছে হয়তো আপুনি কেতিয়াবা নিজে অজ্ঞাতও এনাৰ্জিটো তেখেতলোকে পায় তো আপোনাৰ ছাপোৰ্ট পাই থকাৰ কাৰণে হয়তো বাইদেউ আজি এই পৰ্যায়লৈ আগবাঢ়িব পাৰিছে আৰু আমি আশা কৰিছোঁ অনাগত দিনত আপোনাৰ আৰু এজ এ হোল ফেমিলি হিচাপে আপোনালোকৰ যিটো সহযোগিতা ইজনে ইজনৰ প্ৰতি সহায় আৰু সহযোগিতা বুজা পৰা যি ধৰণে এটা পৰ্যায়লৈ এই অনুষ্ঠানটো আগবঢ়াই নিছে তাৰ কাৰণে আপোনাক আমি পুনৰবাৰ ধন্যবাদ আৰু কৃতজ্ঞতা জ্ঞাপন কৰিছোঁ আৰু আপুনি সঁচাকৈ শলাগৰ পাত্ৰ অনাগত দিনত পুনৰ আপোনাক লগ পাম আকৌ আমি কথা পাতিম আজিলৈ আমি আকৌ আমি বাইদেউৰ ওচৰলৈ যাব বিচাৰিছোঁ ধন্যবাদ So in the meantime, I just came to know you are a wife of a doctor and you are mother of 2 doctors. That's really amazing, right, viewers? So your 2 of the daughters are doctors. That's really amazing, and because of which you might have received the award, the Ideal Mother's Award, right? So really, you deserve that, and for which today we are sitting over here, and we would like to listen from you. So certain motivational, inspirational words, so that the other mothers who are watching this video, who are watching this channel, will also be benefited.
So I want you to give some tips how to become an ideal mother.
Sure. Okay. In this way, I want to thank my daughters also. Both the daughters, they are very obedient. Obedient from their childhood. That is why I want my student to be like them. That is the thing. They are not like other children.
Them to be like
they have to be like my daughters. Because I have seen in them something very different. Their childhood, I have seen their means when they grow up. That also I have seen young age and
now
everything. Now they are doctors. But in childhood, I have seen that they are so sincere in their work. That one was not taught by me. I never used to say my daughters, go and study, do this one, do that one, this is a time for your study, this is a time for your homework. I never.
They have seen you working hard for a school. And that's where somewhere you have prepared them a condition.
The atmosphere at my home, it's every time only study. I every time used to be busy with the books. And that is the thing. Things even they learn. And they both used to study with me, and they didn't take the studies as a studying something hard or something like that. They took it as a duty. Not even duty, like something they are doing, playing.
It's a common work.
It's a common work. They have
their
to
primary work is
that they have to study. They have to do something in the future. And they were very, I can't express the thing. They just want to build up themselves. They don't want to depend on anyone else. And every time they used to be with me with their books, and I was with them. Whatever they did, I was with them. When they were in class 1, even I was in class 1. I just want to mention. And when they were doing their matric or HSLC, at the time also I was there. So it was like that. And always behind my daughters. That was, I think, that was the thing why I received. That is,
unknowingly have given such a condition, and they have received a great support from you, and you have been always concerned about them actually. That was the hidden reason that they were good in their studies, and they are now established. They are established doctors. Where they are now presently working?
They are working, my elder one, she is working in this one, Guwahati Medical College as a assistant professor. She did her MD in pathology, Karishma Bhuya. And she is a topper in pathology from Shankardev University. Then when she appeared APSC, she got second position, and now she is working there in Guwahati Medical College. And as a registrar. And the next one, this is Dr. Udipta Bhuya, younger one, Udipta Bhuya, and she is doing her PG in anesthesia. That is also in GMC, Guwahati Medical College. And now I don't have to think about them. That is why I am giving my full time to my students. So they are, I think, I don't know how it came. It is not very easy to make two daughters doctor. Everyone, if I think about others.
Nowadays it becomes so difficult.
It's a very difficult.
But still you have made it.
I have a tip for the parents. I just want to, as you asked me this one, I just want to tell the mothers, because I'm not speaking about the father, because they used to be all the time outside their house, remain busy with their work, and so I want to speak to mothers, that mothers should be very serious, and they must treat their children as friends, and while they are teaching their child, they don't have to, she don't have to force them. So whenever they teach their child, don't force them. I always used to accompany my daughters, and I'm asking the mothers to accompany their child while they are studying. Don't think about the other things. I have seen these days mothers are very busy with the mobile. If they are busy with the mobile, they cannot say anything to their child. From the childhood, I have seen now the children cannot live without mobile. Why it is like this? So this is the, I just want to ask or request the mothers.
In fact, I come to know that your son-in-law is also a doctor.
Of course.
So 4 doctors in your family.
4 doctors.
That's really great, right?
My son-in-law is a very good doctor. He's an oncologist in this Apollo X-ray care. So
what is his name?
His name is Dr. Arnav Kalita, and he is also very brilliant, and that's also a blessing for me.